Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 winter fashion essentials. So I feel like in winter time it's a little bit harder to dress. I think that in summertime it's easy to just throw on a cute little dress with some heels or some little trainers and you're literally just good to go. Whereas in winter time you need to put a bit more thought into your outfits because there's more layers needed. You need to think of a coat that matches. There's a lot more things to put together, so that is why I'm going to be chatting you through some of my top 10 essentials which look really cute in winter time but are also very practical and also not very practical, but that's just me as always. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. I recently just hit 500 subscribers, which is just so amazing, and I'm so grateful and thankful to every single one of you, so thank you so much. Make sure that if you haven't subscribed already you do, because I would love to have you as part of my Pink Angel family. I promised that I would do a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers and I still am going to do that. However, I have exams at the moment, so I need to focus on them, and then once they're all sorted I'm going to sort out a little giveaway for you guys. So if you're not subscribed then make sure you are, because that way you can be involved in my future giveaway. And yeah, and also if you feel like it, you can feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_. There's always lots of pink content on there. So with all that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and talk you through my top 10 winter fashion essentials. So my first winter fashion essential is cute hats and gloves. I think that having cute pom-pom hats are absolutely adorable in winter time, and I wear these all the time. Even when I'm indoors, sometimes I just like to wear pom-pom hats because it gets chilly all the time. So I recently showed in a haul that I got these two really cute pom-pom hats from New Look. This one is cream and has little pearls on it and it's really adorable, and this just looks lovely and very classy and very pretty. And then this one, I think the pattern is called Fair Isle, and I really like this as well. I love the grey fluffy pom-pom, so cute, and this one is so cozy as well. It just looks adorable with everything. And then I have a couple more here. I have this one which has a massive big grey pom-pom and I love this. It's so cozy and it's such thick material. I'm not sure where this is from. It was a gift a few years ago, but I've gotten so much wear out of this. I think it's lovely. Only thing is there is a little bit of makeup on the inside where my face, where it hits my forehead, but that's okay, you don't see the inside. And then I also have a really cute little pink one which my mum gave me because this was hers. I think a really cute little pom-pom hat is really adorable in winter time, whether that is with a casual outfit or a more dressy outfit. I think that it looks really nice no matter what. And then I also found these really cute gloves in New Look recently. It came in a set of two and you just got the cream ones which goes with all of those hats, and then also these really cute pink gloves with little velvet bows, which is so adorable. Again, these go with all my hats. So yeah, I think that it's really cute to just accessorize your outfits with cute hats and gloves, and it keeps you cozy, it looks pretty, and it's just super practical and a must-have for winter no matter where you are. Second winter essential is a big blanket scarf. Fluffy scarves are a must. This one is from New Look and it's so pretty. It's just this gorgeous pastel pattern and it is so soft. I'm obsessed with this scarf. I get so many compliments on it, and this is just perfect to wrap around me and put my big winter coat on and keep me so cozy. This has become a lifesaver in university because I don't know what it is, but the classrooms always seem to get so chilly halfway through our lessons. So it's great to just wrap around me and just use it like a little shawl, like a little blanket, and I just love it. And yeah, I think that a blanket scarf is an essential for winter time. So the third essential for winter time is a little bit more bougie and a little bit more extra, but I would say very necessary, and that is having a faux fur coat. Obviously mine is pink, and if that's your thing too, it might well be since you're watching this channel, then I highly recommend getting yourself a pink faux fur coat because it is just so classy and amazing. It just makes you feel so fancy. You feel like something out of Scream Queens or Legally Blonde, but it's amazing. And this one is from Marks and Spencer's. I found it a few years ago and it's really nice because it's quite long, so it kind of comes down to about here, so it's lovely and cozy. And I just love wearing this, especially around Christmas time with my Christmas dress, going to parties and things like that. But also I will just wear this shopping with really cute jeans and a top and boots. I think it looks adorable. And yeah, I love having a faux fur jacket. It's so cozy, you feel like a fluffy marshmallow unicorn. I think it's so chic in winter time. So whatever your favourite colour is, or if you prefer a more neutral kind of colour jacket, then I highly recommend getting a faux fur coat because it's just so classy and it just makes you feel fabulous. My fourth winter fashion essential is cute boots. I think that there's nothing quite like a really cute mini skirt and a jumper with adorable little boots, and I think it's really good to have different styles of boots depending on your outfit. So I think it's good to have over the knee boots, calf boots and ankle boots. If you're a bit extra like me, you can have all three, and depending on what your outfit is, you can switch it up. I really love over the knee boots with a mini skirt in winter time. I think it looks so cute, it keeps your legs warm and it's really pretty. And also I love ankle boots. So I have these ones with a cute chunky heel from New Look. I got these a few years ago and they just have the most gorgeous pink embroidery pattern. I have these slouchy boots which have this gorgeous sparkle design on the back, and I think these are lovely, and these are stiletto, so a little bit more tricky to walk in, but really gorgeous. And yeah, just depending on what your outfit is, I think it's really good to just have a few different types of boots to match up with your outfits. I have these boots which are from Faith, and these are really cute kind of quilted boots with a chunkier heel, and these are my kind of everyday ankle boots which I would wear with this outfit or lots of other outfits, and I just think this looks really cute with either skirts or jeans, anything really, and I think that these boots look lovely. So I think it's just good to have a different selection of boots. I also think sock boots are adorable. The only thing I don't have is flat boots. That's probably more practical, but I don't actually own any flat boots other than my snow boots and my wellies. My fifth winter fashion essential is having a cute jacket. I think this jacket is just so adorable, and it's got this really nice bit which the elastic comes in at the back, so it's more fitted, and then it also has really cute little buttons down the back. It's just so pretty, and this has already been a lifesaver for me when it's super chilly outside. It looks really cute with this little hat because the fluffy pom-pom goes with the fluffy hood, and I just think it's so pretty. And obviously I can't wait till it snows when I can wear this with my cute hats, scarves, gloves and really cute snow boots. I think it's just going to be such a lovely look. But so far it hasn't snowed, but it has been very frosty and chilly in Scotland, so this has been much needed, and I just love this jacket. I had been eyeing this up for like over a year, and I'm so glad that I finally managed to get my hands on it. It was really difficult to find, but I will try and link it down below. I think it was available recently, so I will try and show you guys if you want to get your hands on it too. I just think it's so cute. It's such good quality and it's just so warm. My sixth winter fashion essential is a Christmas dress. I like to get a new dress around Christmas time, which I can wear to parties, wear on Christmas Day, and this is my one for this year. Is this gorgeous black velvet dress with a big sparkly bow at the top. I think this is so cute, and I got this from TK Maxx, but it's actually from River Island. But yeah, I just think that having a cute Christmas dress is always a Christmas essential. You want to feel fabulous at Christmas parties, and I always think a Christmas dress should have sparkle in it. It should have sparkle, you should be a bit extra, look like the fairy on top of the Christmas tree, just be a bit blingy because it's Christmas time. Christmas time is the perfect time to be a bit extra and go for a full sparkly outfit, and I think this dress is really cute, and I have really bright sparkly earrings to go with this. To go with your Christmas dress, it's important to have sparkly Christmas shoes. So these ones are from Guess, and I got these a few Christmases ago, and I think these go perfectly with the dress that I picked out for this year. and I love these, and I think it's really cute to just wear sparkly shoes. Like I said before, it's Christmas time, so why not be a bit sparkly? At Christmas, I also feel like you're either at home or at someone else's party, you're not going to be doing a lot of walking, so your shoes can be uncomfortable, it's totally fine, but these are actually quite comfy. So yeah, I just think that it's really, really cute to wear sparkly shoes at Christmas time, and I've always done that. Even when I was little, at Christmas parties at school, I would always get to choose really cute sparkly flats from Next. That was like my Christmas treat to go with my Christmas dress, and yeah, I think that that's always stuck with me, is to wearing sparkly shoes at Christmas time. Another winter fashion essential for me is a jumper dress. I think that jumper dresses look so chic and cute. It's so much easier to style than putting together a top and a skirt, because kind of like summertime, you just throw on a dress, but you can wear it with tights or over the knee boots, and I think that jumper dresses just always look really, really chic. So I have a couple of options here that I've been loving this winter time. So this dress I've received so many compliments on. I absolutely adore this. I got it from ASOS, but it's from the brand called Brave Soul, and it's this really gorgeous kind of cream cable knit jumper dress. It is adorable. I love the big high neck. It's so cozy and so comfortable. I'm 5'8", so it is quite difficult to find things that aren't too short. So I got this in a size small, and it is not too short for me. It's the perfect length, and I just love this. And during the day, I love pairing this with tights like these. These have like kind of zigzag patterns and are kind of woolly, and I really like to wear that with these tights and then some boots, depending on what I'm feeling, maybe ankle boots. Last week I also went to see Jack Whitehall, and I wore this without any tights, and I wore some over the knee boots, and that looked really, really cute as well, and I love that outfit. So I think that is a really cute winter outfit, and I think it's totally an essential to have jumper dresses. The other dress that I have, I've been receiving a lot of compliments on this as well. This is also from ASOS, and this is the ASOS design, and it's obviously baby pink. It's adorable, and it just has this gorgeous wrap detail and then a little bow that you can tie at the front, and I just think this is really cute. It's kind of slightly more off the shoulders, so I tend to wear a kind of Victoria's Secret crop top underneath where you can see the straps, because it is quite kind of low here, but that keeps it a bit warmer and also looks really cute as well, and I'm just obsessed with this. And again, super soft, super cozy, and an essential. So next, in winter time, I think it's essential to have pretty skirts. I love just wearing a cute little feminine girly skirt with woolly tights and either a jumper or a little top like this. I think it looks really cute, and the skirt that I'm wearing today is from ASOS. It's really cute and stretchy, and it's high-waisted, and I really like it. And then I also have a few that I got this one from H&M, and I love this. It's got this really pretty embroidery on it, and that's really cute. And then I also got this velvet skirt. I'm loving velvet clothing at the moment, and this also has really adorable embroidery on it, and I think these with either high neck tops or little tees like this look really, really cute. And I think that's just a really easy outfit to put together. You can wear some woolly tights, a little top or a jumper, and then a cute skirt with some boots. It's more effort than summer, I know, but it still looks really cute. In the winter time, I think this just looks like a little kind of figure skating girly outfit, and I just love it. Already mentioned two types of coats, but in winter time I think you can never have too many coats or jackets, because they're just such a staple piece in your wardrobe. You're obviously going to need to wear a coat outside because it's very chilly. So this is my winter coat, and this is from Marks and Spencer's, and I got this a couple of years ago, I think, and I just love this. Whenever I wear this, I always get so many compliments because it's just so bright and happy and kind of makes me look like a Barbie, but I love that and I really, really love it. It's cozy and it looks perfect with everything. I can dress this up, I can dress it down, and I just think that there's so many people out there that wear like a black winter coat, and that's no fun. So I just like to be a bit more bold, stand out from everyone, and wear a nice bright pink coat in winter time, and this looks really cute with all of my pretty hats and scarves and gloves, and I just love putting that all together and looking really cute and cozy. So that is all 10 of my winter fashion essentials. I really hope that you enjoyed, got some inspiration and some advice from me. And I just want to thank you so much again for 500 subscribers. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!